welterweight, number 18, Andre Halat. At 7, number 12, Cody Glass. At lightweight, number 16, Connor Brown. On defense, number 7, Dougie Hamilton. Also on defense, number 71, Jody Siegenthaler. In goal, number 34, Jay Allen. LC for tonight's Skyview Golf Club Junior Captain of the game, Christian Preston. Christian is a member of the Woodbridge Junior Knights and have to welcome the Devils onto the ice. Devils fans, let's welcome Christian to the right.